Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about plants. We try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. If you are a plant lover, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today is going to be part 2 of my apartment plant tour. I'm in the process of moving back home from school, so I'm kind of doing like a little plant tour, packing that area up, bringing it home, and then kind of just doing it like that. This way it's not so much plants all at once. I think it'll be easier, hopefully, on the plants and me this way. Last time we did my Hoyas. I still have like my smaller Hoyas, but I did bring home my big large hanging Hoyas, and I set those up in my sunroom. You guys might have seen that already, but today I'm going to show you my floor plants and my succulents, and we're gonna just go through them, and yeah, I'll let you know the names of the ones that I know and the ones that I don't know. You guys let me know if you know. Alright, sounds good. Okay. Alright guys, so this is just a quick overview. We'll probably also go through my propagations and the succulents. Hopefully I'm not moving too fast, but starting with the Dracaenas. Okay, so we have the Dracaena Madagascar, the Dracaena kiwi, the Dracaena marginata. Don't know the name of this Dracaena. This is the Janet Craig, the white jewel. This is the Sanderania. This one is called the Song of India. This one is a neon Dracaena, as far as I know. Then we have some sad looking snake plants. This one in the front, which needs to be pruned, is a Fernwood Sansevieria. I have the Cylindrica, which also needs to be cleaned up, and the Starfish, which is actually looking okay. I think we're getting a new leaf, finally. Up here, this is my Whalefin Sansevieria and my Bentel Sensation, which I got from my plant friend Beanie. Look at them, they're doing great. I'm so excited. And then the big pot that they're all in is a bunch of just like random Sansevierias that are in varying states of plant happiness. So yeah. This guy is my, is it a yucca, or I'm not exactly sure what the name of this one is. It's a yucca or a corn plant type of Dracaena. Not sure. And then back here is my mixed pot of regular ZZ plant and Raven ZZ. So as you can see, we also have to clean this guy up, but you know, eventually. I actually think the ZZ Raven is doing better than the regular ZZ, but it is like right up against the heater. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to bring you up, and we are going to run through my propagations really quick. They're mostly, well, they're all pothos, philodendrons, scindapsus, and Dracaena. Okay, let me see if this, does that help? Maybe? We got the Brazil. This guy is the lace vine. See all those roots? You can see all these roots too. We have the Pearls and Jade. Plenty of roots. The regular green philodendron. This one has some micans and a little bit of string of turtles. My Cebu Blue is doing well. This is a mixture of jade and golden pothos. This guy right here is a mixture of Silver Splash and Exotica. Doing well. We're getting some roots. Looking good, looking good. And this is a bunch of different type of Dracaenas, the baby bunny bellies, the Brina, the green and white one, the rainbow. They're all in there. So yeah, I think with these guys, I was inspired by Lily's plants. You should go check out her channel. And yeah, she makes plant collages, and I think it'd be really cool to do that. So I think I'm gonna do that with some of these guys. All right, so I'm gonna turn off this light again. Turn this light over here. I just have these two like lights. I've had the black one for like 10 years. Yeah, it needs a brick to stay standing. So yeah, but it works. So we have it. Okay. Let me move some stuff around really quick. Sorry for the noise. So this is my Aglaonema, doing really well. I do have a couple of crispy leaves here and there, but Aglaonemas tend to drop leaves like regularly. They don't last that long, but as you can see, they're doing really well. They are happy as water plants. And for some of you who like to check out the roots, this is what we got. They look good. All right, on to, let me turn off this light really quick. Maybe it'll help. Okay, so right here we have Apelia peperomoides. She's got a couple babies. They're doing good. Right here is my Peperomia incana. This is the Epiphyllum sharktooth. This is a vanilla orchid I got from a Planty friend a while ago. I will keep going to the side. This is a little fairy garden cactus that I've created, and I'm struggling to keep some of the cacti happy. This is a string of button red edge, looking good. This is the variegated string of buttons. This guy is the Amazonica, Cissus Amazonica. The leaves come out like silver. I hope it's picking it up, but it is like a silver plant. It's very pretty. Then this is another semi-failing cactus garden. 3 are doing well, growing, and then this guy, I guess I overwatered him and he rotted up. So yeah, eventually I'll take that out. Up here we have my little monster pot, my Crassula, doing well. A Ripsalis I don't know the name of. 2 little cactus I grew from seed. There's 3 actually, but I don't know if they're gonna make it. A purple passion plant. I've learned that these guys like to stay moist. As you can see, we lost a lot at the beginning. Bottom leaves. Hopefully that'll grow back. Another Ripsalis I don't know the name of. Some type of ficus bonsai tree that hates me. But it is putting out new growth. So there's that. Buddhist temple succulent. This is the this is the Rapsilis terrace. The lace vine, looking gorgeous. Some type of aloe that surprisingly has lived and grown. This is my string of turtles. It has cinnamon on it because it originally was next to my begonias, and I put cinnamon on my begonias to get rid of the powdery mildew, so I just haven't cleaned it off. And moving up to my little critter pots. I don't know the name of the succulent in the raccoon planter. This is a string of pearls. Don't know the name, but I'll show you. This is a burrow's tail. I've kind of like put it up on a pole, so maybe it'll grow more vertically. I don't know the name of this succulent. That's the little planter. Or this succulent. This is a type of buttons, but it's not the red edge. Coming down, we got these 2 guys. This is another type of buttons. It looks almost like the variegated one, except the leaves are all green. So maybe not variegated string of buttons? I'm not sure. This is something, don't know. I have another type of Ripsalis right here. This is a Gustaveria, something like that. Doing well. I like those plants. I might get another one. This is a dying split rock. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna need another succulent. In the llama, we have some type of struggling succulent, but it's growing back. As you can see, it's starting to put out new leaves. In the octopus succulent, octopus planter, we got this guy. This guy got a purple stem and purple outlining to the leaves. Very pretty. I have a mini jade plant. Doing really well. It's growing. We got new leaves. And we're back to the buttons. All right, coming on over here. Oh, we have another Ripsalis. I don't know the name of this guy. I really like these plants. They're just little, and I think they make pups. Little planters. Coming up, this is the face planter my friend Beanie gave me. I don't want to move it. And I have the Mojito Syngonium, or the Army Syngonium, that my plant friend Kristen from Garden Hoe sent to me. And we have new growth, so I'm surprised I haven't killed this plant yet. but we're doing good. These guys, don't know the names of them, but they're cute. This guy's got a bunch of pups, so I'm gonna have to maybe separate that one day. This is some type of Kalanchoe, don't know the name of. This is a Lithops. We got one to split. Look at that. I haven't killed these yet. 2 to split. Oh wow, that is cool. That is cool. Another one of my favorite little star type succulents. Look how pretty that one is. So pretty. This is some type of pickle succulent. I pickle bush or pickle something. This I think is another type of buttons. I think it's different than the other one. I'm trying to propagate these leaves down here. We'll see if that works. I don't know the name of this succulent or this one, but they're cute. This is another little succulent I don't know the name of. And then in the flamingo, another little succulent I don't know the name of. So yeah, if you know the names of any of my succulents, please let me know. Which of the little critters is your favorite? I am partial to the flamingo, the octopus, and the cardinal. And yeah, quick overview. Real cute, real cute. I think I'm going to be packing up my Dracaenas and putting them over into this bin right here and taking them home next. So wish me luck, and until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.